Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Skype usually uses a Microsoft account as the primary sign-in method for users. Confirm whether your Skype account is linked to a Microsoft account or an older Skype-only account. You must have access to your current email and to the new email address you want to use. Prepare recovery options and enable two-step verification if available for security. Sign out of all devices before making changes to avoid sync conflicts during alias updates. Open account, Microsoft. And sign in with the Microsoft account linked to Skype. Go to your info, then manage how you sign into Microsoft, and choose Add Email to create a new alias. Verify the new email using the verification message sent by Microsoft to that address. After verification, set the new alias as the primary alias for sign-in and display. Do not remove the old alias until you confirm Skype sign-in succeeds with the new primary. After you set the new primary alias, sign out of Skype on all devices and sign back in using the new email. Check that chats, contacts, and subscription details sync correctly after signing in with the new alias. If sign-in fails, use recovery options or sign in with the previous alias until you resolve verification issues. If problems persist, review account security settings and contact Microsoft Account Support with your account email.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.